Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 14, Arabic alphabet. In this video we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the words that start with that Arabic alphabets. Are you remember this word? This is SaaD. This is SaaD. Now we are going to learn Arabic alphabets that start with the word SaaD. First of all, we will learn this lesson with Arabic vowel signs. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. صاد فتحة صا صاد دم سو صاد كسرة سي. Now we will learn together. صا سو सी صا سو सी. अब हम चंद एक अरेबिक अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे जो सौद से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ओके, आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन, सैयद फिशरमैन. लेट्स रिपीट. सैयद फिशरमैन. द नेक्स्ट वन, सारूख रॉकेट. लेट्स रिपीट. सारूख रॉकेट. द नेक्स्ट वन, basil onions. Let's repeat. Basil onion. Okay, the next one, hisan horse. Let's repeat. Hisan horse. Okay, the next one, asir juice. Let's repeat. Asir juice. Okay, the next one, sabar patience. Let's repeat. Sabar patience. Okay, the next one, sakhar stone. Let's repeat. Sakhar stone. Okay, the next one, sunduq box. Okay, let's repeat. Sunduq box. Okay, the next one, siyam fasting mean roza. Siyam fasting roza. Okay, the next one, sifr zero. Let's repeat. Sifr zero. Okay, the next one, usfur bird mean chidiya. Let's repeat. Usfur bird chidiya. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.